Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make body scrub from home. So these are the ingredients that we're gonna need. We're going to need sugar and then sea salt. I'm using coconut oil, you can use the oil of your choice, and honey. And I'm also gonna need perfume, and then I'm going to use shower gel. You can use it, it's optional. I prefer it because it will make sure that the body scrub is foamy, so I'm gonna need it. So this is how we're gonna mix the ingredients. First we're going to start with the sea salt. If you don't have sea salt, you can use table salt, whatever is available. And then we're going to mix the two of them. These are the basic ingredients. We're gonna mix them, the sugar and the sea salt, together first. Make sure to mix them properly. So these two act as exfoliants in our body scrub. And then after that we're going to add coconut oil. I said you can use any oil that you prefer. You can use olive oil, you can use carrot oil, avocado oil, but I'm using coconut oil, so I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then we're gonna put honey next. So honey is going to make sure your skin is hydrated. So we are gonna put 2 spoons of honey. And mix those ingredients first. So that is sea salt, sugar, coconut oil, and honey. So I'm gonna mix them properly to make sure they have blended. Next, I'm gonna add the shower gel. So this I'm using papaya shower gel. I don't want my body scrub to be dry, so that's why I'm adding the shower gel, and also it's gonna make sure that it's going to give a very foamy body scrub when you apply it on the skin. And then after that I'm gonna add perfume. Yeah, you're gonna add fragrance of your choice. You can use even essential oil. You see, it looks really nice. For those who love body scrubs like me, this comes really handy. You see, it looks really nice. So I'm mixing it properly to make sure all the ingredients have mixed well. So for this body scrub, you can apply it, you can use it 2 to 3 times in a week. And if your skin is sensitive, for those people who have sensitive skin, you can apply it once in a week. It will be good for your skin. And then after that, we're gonna transfer it into our storing containers. You see they have 2. So you need to put your body scrub in airtight containers. And when you're using them, just make sure you use something dry to scoop it. A dry spoon, something dry. Don't let water into the body scrub. So I'm gonna close them, store them, and use them as I please. You see, and they have my body scrubs. It really feels good on the skin. You can see there, and it looks. You can see it's foamy. You can see the foam there because of the shower gel. So let me know if you have tried it. Let me know how it feels. Please leave a comment. My little one wanted to try it too, so I just gave it to them. You see, it looks good. So let me know on the comment section how yours turned out. Thank you for watching. Bye. You see, up close, it looks really good.